What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I'm bringing y'all a weekly grocery haul. Before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And this time, y'all, I got quite a bit because I got the meals planned out. Let me get the list so I can tell y'all what I'm cooking. Okay, y'all, so I got the list. We're gonna just grab and go. I got some greens because I definitely want some more greens this week. I got a cranberry juice. And y'all, I get the cranberry juice that's no sugar added. The only sugar is from the actual cranberry. But I do like all the little mixtures of cranberry juice and stuff like that. But this one I get because it's good for my homegirl, if you know what I mean. And then also this like helps clean me out. So I like that particular one. I got some celery, onions, and I went back to these. I did get the wheat ones or whatever, but I didn't even eat nothing but like 2 of them. But I went back to these, and y'all, these are good. They taste just like the regular kind. They just have more fiber and like 4 carbs or something like that. But it has fiber in it. I got a little 2-pack of butter because we already got like, I think 2 in there. So I just got a 2-pack. Love these. So got some more hot dogs, cream cheese, and I got some honey turkey and chicken breast this time. And I got some rotini noodles. And I don't know what y'all call these, but I call these shake-ups where you put the little sugar-free powder in a bottle of water. And y'all, I like the Crystal Light and the Walmart kind. And then I got some gravy. And then I have some Italian beef au jus seasoning. And y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all why I got this stuff. Let me go through here. I got some orange juice with the pulp. I got a small heavy whipping cream because I already have a small one in there. And I normally get the big one, so now I just have 2 small ones. And I got some beef bouillon. Some barbecue sauce. We still have some Sweet Baby Ray's, but I think it's kind of low because I made barbecue chicken last week, and I think I'm gonna make it again this week. But I got another barbecue sauce. I always like to keep chili on hand just for random days. I got some meatballs. And another bag of fruit. I still got some of the other one, but I like to keep it on hand. I got some shrimp. Some more bacon. And yeah, I got this huge loin roast, which I'm gonna cut this in half and put it in the Instant Pot one day. Give me a second. Okay, so I got a sack of potatoes and a cabbage and some carrots. And y'all, I should have got 2 things of carrots, but I didn't. I'll just get it through the week. Because when I thought about it on my way home, I thought about it. I was like, I could make like chicken soup, like without the noodles. Or I could make chicken noodle soup. It really just depends. But I'm thinking about chicken soup only because one day this week, Wednesday, I'm gonna make shrimp and chicken Alfredo pasta. So that's probably why I'll just make some chicken soup with just the chicken and carrots, celery, and onions. I love that. So good. Just like chicken noodle soup, but of course without the noodle. Anyway, so Sunday, which is tomorrow, I plan on making the roast with the carrots and celery and cabbage. Monday, I'm gonna do meatballs with gravy and mashed potatoes. And y'all, I got these little quick meatballs because I really don't feel like doing the most. And then Tuesday, I'm gonna do some barbecue chicken and greens and maybe pinto beans as well. And then, like I said, Wednesday, this is the shrimp and chicken pasta. And of course, y'all know some of this stuff we already be having at home. So I just needed it to make meals. Thursday and Friday, I don't really know what we're going to do. We do have those burgers that we got last week. And then we got several different cuts of chicken in the deep freezer. We got the chili. So I don't know really what we're going to do Thursday or Friday. But again, we have enough to, you know, do what we need to do for the week. And yeah, let me know. Y'all did my hair earlier or whatever. Y'all know I had to spray it black because my hair is still got that color on it. But I love me like a bust down middle part. And it's just real simple, y'all. But anyway, I do got some clothing videos coming. I got to put some looks together, and I'm also gonna put together a video with my personal favorite looks and stuff like that. So I am working on some things behind the scenes, so y'all will be posting very soon, so stay tuned to the channel. But that's the end of this video. Make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle. Y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all already know, honey, we are out. Which lies and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you